Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show how to work with rhinestones in Funtime. Let's start for an easy design. Let's go to File, Import PDF. Now we can do a quick setup by going Tools, Stones. Here we can select the type of stone, size and spacing. Unselect Erase Original Line and Apply. The automation of the software detects all the lines, so we just erase those we don't need. Export this as TJC file and it's ready for the machine. Here we just need to open the design, select the colors and start the machine.